Hello everybody and welcome to the studio. I'm sitting on a squeaky chair. This is where I work, where my mum does drawings and things. There's a framing thing, that thing. It's a bit of a mess in here. Oh well, too bad. So today, as you can tell because we're not in the kitchen, we're doing something a little bit different again. I like doing different things, keep it spicy. So what we're doing today is we're making face masks, as you can probably tell by the title. My mum's already cut these out for me. I'll link the pattern down below. We found the pattern somewhere on the internet, so I'll just link it down there. Ow. And don't break yourself, kids. Dangerous stuff. Sharp. If you're an adult, I would suggest making the biggest size, because my mum made the size for women and teens, which is, I'll just take one piece, just one piece of material. Thank you. So it's pretty significantly smaller than the men's one. Make the men's one because she made this one and it's big enough for a kid. So I'm really sad because this material is really cute. So I don't get to have cats with candy corns and witch hats, and it's so cute, and I wanted this one, but I can't have it now. This is going to be my dad's face mask. It's got fishies and things. So yeah, I'll link this down below and I'll show you guys how to make one of these up real quick. You can hand stitch them if you don't have a sewing machine. I'm lucky, I have a sewing machine, so I don't have to hand stitch them. Be a bit of a pain. All you need is some cotton, the pattern, which is linked down there, and some elastic, or more cotton so you can make things to tie around the back of your head, whichever you prefer. We're going around the ears today. I'll see which one I prefer better, around the ears, around the head, because I'm going to be making a few of these, because yeah, my mum's one doesn't fit her, and so I've got to make a new one for her. Okay, so let's get to it. This is the sewing machine. Ancient, but it's the sewing machine. And so what you want to do is, this is a very awkward way to film. We're just going to take these pins out of the pin cushion. I'm not sure why this is the pattern that everyone's going for. Gonna see how well I can't sew. Oh no, oh no. So you put the right sides together because you want the pattern obviously on the other side because we're making them pretty. So we're lining those up. Gonna put some needles in there. My dad's making some noise in the workshop that's in the next room over there. Is he drilling something? Of course he is. He's trying to make sure that they are nicely together. Nicely together with the pins and things. Okay, there we go. It's all pinned up. So now we're going to sew it. I've got to adjust. Let's see if I can remember how to use a sewing machine. Surely I don't think I can. Did anyone else sing that random song, the Sims whistle every now and then? No, just me? Okay. And boom, 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 boom. All right, then you get your next two. This side's got fish. Do the same thing with those. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Okay, so now we've got our two little bits of kitten and something kind of resembling a face mask at this point. So the plan is for this is that, okay, so let's just do things. Cut those threads off. Threads. Okay, so what you want to do is just along the seam there, up to the thing, just make little cuts like this. So that when you tie it inside out, it all lays flat. Very nice. Very good. I'm not good at sewing. This is not one of my skills. Same thing on the other, and just chop off the little pointy bit at the top. That's what my mum said to do. Okay, next one, same thing. All right, so now we want to put these sides together. So the pretty sides, they go together, right? Like this. Okay, like this. So you've got the pattern on the inside like that. Easy, no? Okay, so you just want to line up your bits here and pin them. So I'm going to sew the top and the bottom part of this mask. And back to the sewing machine. Okay, so you've done the top. Now we do the bottom. Okay, done. Okay, and the same thing we did along the center seam, we're going to do along the bottom and the top. Well, mostly the top, you know. Cut off those corners. I left very little seam here, which is a bit of a mess, but it's okay. Trust the process. That's what I like to say. Turn it inside out. I'm not so sure about this. So now we've got the shape. So we are going to put the elastics in. So what my mum did to measure hers was she kind of went round the ear and like saw where maybe it would be on the mask. But that didn't work very well. So instead of, well, I don't know, to make it 18 centimeters and then sew it about 1 centimeter in, I think. There are 2 pieces. So this is fun and fiddly. Now you want to turn in the edges and you want to pin in your little ear bits there and there. So I'm going to pin them in and then I'm going to like kind of try it on, I guess. I don't recommend trying anything on with pins in it, just around your face. Don't, it's not the best idea in the world, but hey, this is what I'm doing and I'm making a video showing you how to do this and saying, hey, I'm going to try it on with pins on my face to measure. So I'm pretty much telling you to try something on with pins on your face. But I'm going to guess that 18 centimeters should be, I don't know, seems a bit tight. So maybe my mum had it right at 20 centimeters. You know, I'm like, ooh, let me show people how to do things that I don't know how to do. The essence of this channel. Back to the sewing machine. Gotta move things around. This is a bit less fun to do. So I'm going to just go roundies here on the side. Sew it in slowly. Oh my goodness. And go back over it. And go over it again. It's not going anywhere. Ow. Oh, come on, bugger. And we're back. All right, let's try that again. I haven't put the foot back on, hold on. Now we can go. All right. Ouchies. I've gone and done exactly the same thing. We're back for real this time, hopefully, maybe nobody knows. Right, we're past that section. Making sure that one actually goes in there. Reverse. Okay, I think we did it, guys. I think we did it. There's one side done. Let's do the other side. Same thing. Loop it in. Put your piece of elastic and stick it in. Oh, let's start just doing this. Okay, bring it round, stick it in this side. That went a lot more smoothly. Okay, success. Whoops, drop it on the floor, that's hygienic. Whoops, let's cut those little strands off. Can I have the sew? The answer is no. Put on lipstick for no. Let's take those off, I can't see anything. There we go. I don't know. There? Yeah? Hi, how's it going? I mean, I guess this is a mask. That's a face mask. There you have it. Oh boy. Wearing glasses and face masks, not a thing that happens. But there you have it, that is a face mask. You shouldn't touch it like that. Mine's a bit squiff, but it's fine. So that's a face mask, and this one's cute. It's got a fish on it. pretty easy. It's just these things that are not so easy to sew in, but once they're in, it's perfect. And the 18 centimeters are very comfortable on my face, so hopefully it works on yours. But I would suggest measuring it to your face beforehand rather than measuring it by my face. Because not all of our faces are the same size, but definitely do the adult size and not baby sizes. Stay safe, everyone. Wear a face mask if you're gonna go out and about into the world. That's just something to help you guys stay a little more safe when you head out to go and do grocery shopping, or I have lipstick all over the place. No, I didn't. Okay, just check. It's easy to make at home if you've got some old clothes that you don't wear. Obviously 100% cotton is the best thing to use, but if you don't have that, it's fine. Use some old clothes, make yourself a face mask, stay at home as much as possible. You know, all of the things that everyone's telling you to do, listen to it, do it, be smart, be safe, be healthy. Okay, but that's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments below. Let me know what the weirdest thing is that you've done so far during lockdown, and how are you doing? Let me know how you guys are doing. If you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I mean, besides, if you have to wear a face mask, might as well be fun. Bye!